Here is a wonderful 2023 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. Here's a svelte Range Rover Evoque that offers excellence from every vantage point. Solid feeling, lively performance, user-friendly touchscreen connectivity, standard driver assist safety features, and a strikingly stylish sensibility are yours in this remarkable subcompact luxury SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection, tire pressure monitoring system, power driver seat, dual zone AC, leather steering wheel. Rediscover the pleasure of the drive in this beautifully crafted Range Rover Evoque. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.